Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to CSM. Today we are going to learn basic trigonometry, that is trigonometric ratios. Trigonometry means the word trigono means triangle, metric means measures, that is triangle measures. The trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationship between sides and angles of right angle triangles. That is right angle triangles. First we can take one right angle triangle. What is meant by right angle triangle? In this triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, then that type of triangle is called right angle triangle. I took here one right angle triangle. The side opposite to 90 degree, that is the longest side, that side is called hypotenuse. This side is called hypotenuse. The side opposite to 90 degree, that side is called hypotenuse. The next one, I took here this angle as I marked this angle as theta. Then this here in this case the angle opposite to theta, that is the side opposite to theta, that is this side. The side opposite to theta, we can mark that one as opposite side. The next one is, then here one side is there, that side is near to which one? Theta. The side that this side is the nearest side of which one? Theta. Then we can mark that side as adjacent side. Okay. Then if I take this triangle this way, is a right angle triangle 90 degree. The side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. Then here I mark this angle. Here I am going to mark this angle as theta. Okay, then in this case, what is opposite side? Opposite side of this angle theta, that is this side. This side is opposite side. Then which is the nearest side? This one is nearest side, is the adjacent side. Okay, then in all triangle, now here in these triangle cases, so if you take all triangle, that side opposite to 90 degree, that side is called hypotenuse. This both case, the side opposite to 90 degree, that side is called hypotenuse, is the longest side. Then other one is opposite side and adjacent side. That part depends upon this angle theta. Then in this case, this side becomes opposite side because it's opposite to theta. But this side, what is this side? Is adjacent side because this theta, this here I marked here this angle as theta is the adjacent one. That is this side as adjacent side. Now check this part. This angle case theta, this side is the adjacent side. That's why I marked as a adjacent side. But in this angle theta case, which one? This side is opposite side. That means this opposite side and adjacent side, it depends upon theta. And all case the side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Okay. Let's say one right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. The side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Is the hypotenuse. Here in this case I marked this angle as theta. Then we know what is this side. This side is opposite side. That is the side opposite to theta. That is opposite side. Then what is this side? Is the nearest side. That is this side is adjacent side. Then I am going to explain now the trigonometric ratio, the basic trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos and tan. There are basic three trigonometric ratios are there. We are going to learn that trigonometric ratio here, sine, cos and tan. First one is sine. Sine of this angle. Sine of which angle? This angle. Sine of this angle, that means sine theta. Sine theta is defined as like this. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, this relation, the sine theta is a trigonometric ratio. That ratio defined like this. Sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. The next trigonometric ratio, that is cos theta. Cos theta defined as like this. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Now check these two parts. In sine theta case and cos theta case, both case the denominator parts are same. Both are hypotenuse. Okay, but in sine theta case we used numerator opposite side. In cos theta case we used numerator adjacent side. Okay, that is sine theta opposite side, cos theta adjacent side. Then both case the denominators are hypotenuse. Okay, the next one, tan theta. Tan theta defined like that. Tan theta is equal to, take this both numerator part. What is the first numerator part? Opposite side. What is the second numerator part? Is adjacent side. That is, it is defined like this. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Clear? That is, if you divide sin theta divided by cos theta, in that case you will get which theta? Tan theta. Okay, then first one, tan theta defined as tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. That is, sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse, tan theta opposite side by adjacent side. Then in sin, cos, in this both case the denominator part hypotenuse. Okay, the sin case numerator opposite side, cos case numerator adjacent side. Then tan means take these two numerator, that is opposite side and adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side. Then here I am going to use one method, that is in order to remember we can use one method. Normally people are using this method. Then first one, this sin case is starting letter. What is the starting letter? S. Then here is opposite side and this one is hypotenuse, that is SCCSOH. We can take that one SOH. Then in cos case, starting letter O, then adjacent side A, hypotenuse H. Then we can take that one. We can take that one CAH. Then the same way tan case starting letter T and O, then H. Or that is opposite side. Then this one adjacent side. That is, we can write it as like this, TOA. Then I am combining these three parts. We will get like this. Now we got one word. That word Sohcahto. Then what is Sohcahto? Sohcahto means first three letters represent sin part. Then next three letters represent cos part. The last three letters represent tan part. Sohcahto. Okay. Then in this case, this letter, if you by heart this part, then it is easy to remember this sin, cos, and tan. Sin means opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos means adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan means opposite side by adjacent side. Said Sohcahto. Okay, then next we can go to the problem part. Problem. Then in this case, write down the ratios of sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. That is here basic trigonometric part. We have to find these parts, sin, cos, and tan. Here given is a one right angle triangle. This one is the right angle triangle. We know this part is 90 degree, and we have to find sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. For that, first we can mark these sides. Then this side is opposite. This side is opposite to 90 degree. That's why this side has, what is this side? Is hypotenuse. We can write it as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means H. Okay, I took the letter H to represent hypotenuse. The next one. Then opposite side and adjacent side, it depends upon theta, the angle theta. In this case, this opposite side, which is the opposite side here? This side is the opposite side of this theta. Then we can mark that one is the opposite side. Then what is this side? Is the nearest one, that is the adjacent side. We can mark that as A. Okay. Then first one is, we know sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is, we can write it as sin theta is equal to 5 by 30. Okay. The next one is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, we know what is cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means we can write that part as 12 by 13. 12 by 13. The next one is tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Then we can write that part as 5 by 12. That is tan theta. Okay. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. then you will get more mathematics videos lesson. Thank you.